Hello friends. Many of us have a bad habit of deleting files pressing Shift+Del in the keyboard. Like we do press Shift+Delete on the keyboard and then delete the file. If we delete the file like this, there is no way of restoring the file. It does not stay in the recycle bin. It gets permanently deleted. Does it happen sometime that we accidentally delete any important file by pressing Shift+Delete and then bang our head on the table just to restore that? Did it ever happen to you? Yes, it happened to many of us. And just to prevent this problem, just to prevent from accidentally shift deleting any file, I have developed a small tool that will save you from accidentally deleting file by pressing shift and delete. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. So as I was saying, let me show you. I have a file here, and if I delete it by clicking here on the delete option or by pressing delete on the keyboard, this file gets deleted. As I have disabled the delete confirmation message, this file does not show any confirmation, directly goes to the recycle bin. I can simply undo delete and this file will come back from the recycle bin. But what happens if we press shift and delete? I am pressing shift and delete on the keyboard and it shows, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? And if we press yes, then this file gets permanently deleted. It does not store in the recycle bin, and we do not have any option of restoring the file from the recycle bin because it is not there in the recycle bin. It is permanently deleted. Many times it happens that we accidentally delete any important file and then bang our head on the table. So today I'll show you how you can prevent the shift and delete in your Windows computer or laptop. First, let me show you the demo, then I'll explain it. I am making a copy of this file. Now, if I try to delete it by pressing Shift and Del, what happens? It shows Shift Del pressed, but the file does not get deleted. The delete confirmation box does not appear. It does not prevent it from deleting it by pressing delete on the keyboard, but that is revertible, so we can bring it back anytime if we delete by pressing the delete key. But if we press Shift Del on the keyboard, it shows Shift Del pressed and the file does not get deleted. This notification disappears in some time. Now how does it happen? I have built a tool in Visual Basic 6 that prevents the keyboard combination shift and delete. So how to apply this? I'll give you all these files in a zip file. I'll give the download link in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you know the coding in Visual Basic 6, you can change the code as per your need. It's absolutely free to use, but there is no need to make any modification. You can simply use that. You can run the Shift+Del guard file and this will prevent Windows from pressing the shift and delete. But what happens if we start it one time and then shut down the computer? The execution of this file will also terminate, and next time we start our Windows, we have to rerun it. Instead of that, we can create a shortcut of this file. Just right click and then create a shortcut. The shortcut is already created here. We will copy this and go to the startup folder. Simply typing it in the address bar will open the startup folder, and we will paste the Shift+Del guard here. I have already pasted it because it runs in my system. So by simply pasting the shortcut here, we can add it to the startup and then it will run automatically. It will prevent Windows from pressing shift and delete. Now what happens? We have run the executable file and then I am pressing shift and delete on the keyboard. It shows shift and delete pressed. Now if I close it from here, what happens? It disappeared. Now if I close it from here, what happens? It gives you an option, quit, run Shift+Del guard in the background. Now if we press yes, it will keep running in the background and it will keep preventing pressing the Shift+Del button combination. But if we press no, what happens? If we press no, this Shift+Del guard prevention will terminate and we can again press Shift and Delete, and Windows combination of Shift and Delete will work again. We can delete it. Now how to reactivate it? Just simply double click on it. It will run. Shift+Del guard started. So a simple small tool, you can use it in your Windows PC to prevent the Shift+Del button combination. I know it's a problem for many of us, those who have developed the habit of pressing Shift and Delete in our workplace, in our computer or laptop. So by this tool you can prevent it very easily. And as I have mentioned, this tool is free to use, free to modification. You can distribute it if you wish. But if you like the tool, I would request to like the video, share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you.